my friends. Well, I thought I'd do something different today and take you in front of the camera. No. Hello, my friends. I thought I'd do something a little different today and take you behind the scenes to, no. Okay, take 3. I'm just going with this one. I thought it might be fun for you to see the face behind the voice of the videos that you are kind enough to watch. So here I am. No. Okay, this is it. All or nothing. The reason I'm here at the Cypress Gallery in Lompoc, California, is to show you some of the paintings that I've made videos of, framed and in a gallery display setting. Oh my gosh, I gotta delete this one. I was an actress for 25 years. You'd think I would remember that it's always best to work from a script. I don't even remember what I wanted to tell you, so I'm going to turn the camera off now and just give you a little tour of the gallery. Okay, starting on this wall, we've got some just straight pours. And I think they're very eye-catching as you walk into the gallery. That's one of the first things you see. So that's kind of fun. And then the front room here. Got a little kind of watery looking pours and embellishments here on this wall. Fun. I'll back up here and show you what I'm calling the feature wall. It's the largest area. It's 11 feet long, and I've got some fairly large paintings on there. That's the name of my show, Pigment of My Imagination. And I do want to zoom in and show you these little creatures. These are puzzles that I had made out of some of my designs. 252-piece puzzles, and they come in a little tin box. I think they're just adorable, and I hope they will sell. We'll see. And got a nice corner space there, and we have 3 floating panels, hanging panels. This one I have a variety of dancers type embellishments. And I'm going to take you outside and I'll show you the outer panels as well, because I want to show off our wonderful building here. It's been all painted by, well, it's very dark here. It's because of the glare from the window. Of course, that painting is much brighter than what you're seeing. And over here we have animals. And some miscellaneous in the corner there. And over here is my little guest book area and my artist statement. Yeah. Okay, well that's that, and I'm going to pause and then take you outside. Okay, it's quite windy and a bit of traffic here, but I do want to show you this charming building. Cypress Gallery is run by the Lompoc Valley Art Association. They've been in this building since 1994, I believe. I've only been a member a couple of years, but I just love the group. Very friendly, and it's a great opportunity to show work and take classes, give classes, and meet a lot of creative people. And take you around to the front. We have a couple of big showcase windows where displaying some more work. I'm hoping these bright ones here will catch the eye of passers-by. But the reason I wanted to show you the building is because it was painted by a couple of very talented members of our group, as well as these storage garages. Aren't they wonderful? Vicki Anderson and Linda Gooch painted this building for the Art Association to change it from just a cement block building to look like a charming Victorian cottage. The detail is just amazing. I hope I can capture it justly here. Look at that little squirrel there, and a blue jay with a peanut in its mouth. Should back up to get the whole, or most of it anyway. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. They painted this originally in 1998, I believe, and then about a year ago they touched it up, repainted, because it was showing some wear. Look at that cat on the top of the utility box. I love that. Here's another one. Our beautiful American flag. It's great. But around the corner here is the real showcase. I'm going to back up so you can see the whole wall. There's Filbert, our gallery mascot. And yes, I'll zoom in so you can see the names of the artists and the date. And over in the corner here kind of gives you an idea of how they approached painting this building. I think it's just fantastic. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little segue from the usual video. Look at those. Oh, marvelous. Anywho, thanks for indulging me. I'm going to go home now and get to work on a video. Get that posted. I haven't done anything in a while because I've been so busy with setting up this show. So, if you're in the area, do come by and visit us here at the Cypress Gallery. The hours. Thought I was closer to the door. Here are the usual hours. A little different right now because of COVID. We're only open on the weekends and by appointment. But we would love to see you. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.